In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an interactive prototype from Figma into your case study. First, open your design in Figma and make sure the prototype you want to show is ready to go. It helps if your flow has a clear starting frame and your interactions work smoothly. Because whatever you see in Figma's presentation mode is exactly what your viewers will experience once it's embedded. Next, configure your sharing settings so the embed will actually load for anyone who views your case study. Click Share in the top right corner of Figma, then set permissions to anyone with the link and choose Can View. This is important. If the permissions are more restrictive, your embed may appear blank or prompt for access. Keeping it on Can View ensures people can interact with your prototype without needing special permissions. Now, click the play button to enter presentation mode. This opens the prototype the way your audience will see it. Inside presentation mode, click Share Prototype. You'll use this sharing option specifically for prototypes, rather than the general file share. So the embed reflects the right screens, transitions, and hotspots. In the Share Prototype panel, click Get Embed Code. Figma will generate a short HTML snippet. Copy that code exactly as it appears. If you are familiar with HTML, you'll notice width and height values in the snippet. Those control the size of the embedded frame. You can leave them as is for now, and if you need to fine-tune dimensions later, you can come back and adjust those numbers. Open your case study platform. I am using Behance as the example here. Choose Share Work. Then select Project to open or create the project where your case study lives. Click Prototype. Paste the Figma embed code into that block. If you don't see an embed option right away, look for an HTML or media module. Platforms label this differently. But the goal is the same, an area where you can paste HTML. After pasting, you should see a live preview of your interactive prototype directly in the project layout. Give it a moment to update. Sometimes the preview takes a few seconds to render while it pulls the content from Figma. Once it appears, scrub through your prototype to confirm interactions and transitions behave as expected. That's it. Thanks for watching.